What's the meaning of boredom? Boredom. Boredom.
Boredom. Boredom. Boredom refers to the feeling of disinterest and lack of stimulation that arises when one is not engaged in any meaningful activity. This state of mind can lead to feelings of restlessness, frustration, and ennui. When individuals experience boredom, they may seek out more stimulating activities or become distracted by minor details in their surroundings. Additionally, prolonged boredom can have negative effects on mental health and overall well-being. To mitigate feelings of boredom, individuals can engage in activities that challenge them mentally or physically, seek out new experiences, or find ways to reframe their existing circumstances in a more positive light.